Okay, so I got this mic some time ago, but I bought it. I didn't know that it has to be 3-pin, and I bought 4-pin. So I had to buy this adapter, and it came today. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna try to do a cold start. I haven't started the bike since, I don't know, Friday, and today is Tuesday. Okay, that's it, very short clip. We'll see how this goes. Look how much stuff you have to have just to have the external mic. So the mic itself, the adapter to the mic, and the plug to the mic. Way too much stuff.